Hey friends, welcome to another video of Django series. In this video, we'll learn about static files and beautifying our page. So static files just uh, makes us available to use additional files such as CSS and SCSS or just image files, PNG, JPG, these kind of things. So it's essential to learn that, but it's so easy and it will be probably a short video. The first thing we have to do is just creating a folder named static, because in the settings we mentioned that the static directory is base directory of static. Okay, so make sure that you are naming it as a static. So another thing is just I have a let's create a file named style, this CSS, and also images. Okay, we'll say images, and I have an image.png, this kind of image. I will put it inside of this, and in order to use that, this CSS2, we have to first let's write something in there. We can say just font size of 10 rem and color of, for example, cyan. Okay, and now in the base HTML we have to link that. Okay, so link CSS, and we'll not just mention it like this. We have to say static and the file name. Okay, so it will be style.css. And now it will not work because we don't have any. Yeah, you see, we don't have. We haven't loaded yet, so we have to load that. But how? Then I'll show you. We have to say load static, and now you'll able to use that. Yeah. Now, yeah, you can see that. Let's say we have to just create an image. You can just say image, and for this, we'll say, but after loading the static, don't forget about that. So we'll say static, and we'll say images. Inside of image the PNG. Okay, and by the way, let's just add a width and height to this. We'll say image, and width will be, I don't know, maybe 200 pixels, and the height will be 400 pixels. Okay, now it should work fine. Yeah, you see, we have our image in here. Let's just add more of this. Yeah, now you can see that we have our image in here. That's just simple. This is the static. By the way, you can get this settings from the Django documentation, right? Just Django documentation, and go to there, go to the static files and copy that. And Bootstrap. Bootstrap is also easy. Just you're copying the files in order to use that, and you're just simply paste it in there. And also this one. Also the JavaScript files. Yeah, after body. And now you will be able to use that. By the way, if you are using any script or something, additional JavaScript, also a static file, so we should use static for that. Now it should work. So let's go into our, I don't know, about, for example, and in this A we have to say class. I said you should learn about Bootstrap, so I will not explain Bootstrap. You know, there is not any explanation for that. You have to just learn about tags, and these are so easy. And btn large or btn block, and yeah, that's it. Yeah, you see in the about we can see our thing. That's just simple, guys. That was it for this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe, and if you like our videos, if it is useful, just don't forget to like the videos, because it's just I want to share useful content with you, but there are not any viewers for my videos. It's so sad. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like. So yeah, take care of yourself. See you in the next video. And that's it.